जय श्रीमन्नारायण 329th नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम्। ओम स्कंदाय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who destroys all those who have cruel mentality. You are the one who said, Tanaham dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman. In Bhagavad Gita, you declared that those who hates my glory, those who possess all kind of loathsomeness, I am going to destroy them. Ho Bhagavan Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Skandaya Namaha. Om Skandaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata fell on the feet of Ramachandra Swami and begging Rama to come back. There were so many people looking at that, and they are all excited to see what is Rama's decision going to be, what is Rama's response going to be. In front of all of them, Sri Ramachandra Swami, with all of his great stable mind and standing on his father's words, Ramachandra Swami very gently rejected Bharata's request. All people got surprised to see that. Tad adbhutam sthiryam avekshya. All people got wondered to see such a great stable mind of Ramachandra Swami. After seeing his sthiryam, after seeing Rama's stable mind, all the people at once, avapa dukkhitaha, they all moved to tears. While moving to tears, they are also appreciating such a great mindset of Ramachandra Swami. Jano harsham, people are expressing their great happiness after seeing their leaders' stable mind, and also all of them at once saying that, "Oh Rama, please come back to Ayodhya." Like that, while moving to tears, everybody started requesting Rama. And also, on other hand, all the people started appreciating Sthira Pratignyata, Sthira Pratignatvam, Avekshya Harshitaha. Whatever he said to his father, he is now stick to those words. That is where people are expressing their happiness about Rama's great standing on the words that he gave to father. And also not only just people, but all the Rutvijas, great Acharyas also moving to tears with both kind of feelings. One is grief, other one is happiness after seeing Rama's great stable mind. Naigamayudha Vallabhaha, all Ganamukhyas, all the great leaders also moving to tears. Mataraha, all the mothers also moving to tears. All people at once again started saying, Pranamya Ramancha Yayachire Saha. While all of them doing namaskaram to Rama, they are all requesting Rama to come back to Ayodhya. Having captivated all the minds of all people, Sri Ramachandra Swami now responding back to Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, being a Kshatriya, you shouldn't be talking like this. Oh Bharata, you know what? What happened is, when our father Dasaratha Maharaju marrying our mother Kaikamma, at that time our father gave a word to Kaikamma's father, saying that the son who is going to be born to Kaikamma will become a king of this kingdom." That word our father gave. Not only that, Bharata, when there was a big battle, Daivasurecha Sangrame, the Sangramam, battle between Devatas and Danavas, at that time, when our father helped Devatas, our mother Kaikamma did so much seva to our father Dasaratha Maharaju. At that time, our father felt so happy with all the service our mother Kaikamma did. Father said, "I am going to give 2 boons to you." That is what our father gave a vow to Mother Kaikamma. Those 2 boons Mother Kaikamma asked now. First boon is Tavarajyam, your Pattabhishekam, first boon. Second boon is Mama Pravrajanam, my Vanavasam. Bharata, listen to me carefully. That is why I came along with Sita Lakshmana to this forest, decided to stay here in the forest to stand on whatever the word our father gave to Mother Kaikamma. So also you should be doing the same. Kshiprameva Abhishechanat. That is why you go back to Ayodhya and get Pattabhishekam done and start ruling the kingdom. To stand, to make sure that all the words given by our father to mother should come real. You have to be doing the same thing. Bharata, you said, you asked me to make sure that whatever the mistakes our father has done should be corrected by me, you said, right? Now you go ahead and get Pattabhishekam done, start ruling the kingdom. On behalf of me, you make sure all the mistakes done by our father corrected by you. You do that on behalf of me. And also you asked me to remove all kind of accusations on Mother Kaikamma. Now you go back and get Pattabhishekam done, start ruling the kingdom and keep Mother Kaikamma happy. All those accusations, slowly all the accusations will disappear on its own. Bharata, you go back and get Pattabhishekam done. Like this again, Sri Ramachandra Swami responding back to Bharata. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. From today onwards, 36th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Skandaha Skandadharo Dhuryo Varado Vayuvahanaha Vasudevo Bruhadbhanuhu Adidevaha Purandaraha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. ఓం స్కందాయ నమః. ఓం స్కందాయ నమః. ఓం స్కందాయ నమః.